And now, it's time for the Sea Lions Flash.
Because
take your little hand like this. Give it a smoochie. Touch your brain. Kiss your brain. And your brain says, thank you. Everybody, happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Have a great week. Bye.
This is Sea Lion leader Billy Gadoff with this week's announcements. We hope you feel great after the President's Week holiday. Let's make it a great week. Sea Lion Chorus rehearsal is this Tuesday at 7:20 in the morning. Let's be safe during drop-off. Pageant rehearsal is on Thursday after school. Keep practicing your dances. The Yosa coloring contest is coming to an end. Turn it in on Friday. Mrs. Barr's class is going on a walk-in field trip to pavilions on Friday. Have fun and listen to your teacher. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
Attention Seal Beach, we have a hometown hero in the spotlight. Ryder Dodd, a former McGaw Sea Lion, an Olympic medalist, and an NCAA champion. Ryder has been nominated for the prestigious AAU Sullivan Award, recognizing the nation's top amateur athlete. And now you can help him bring home this incredible honor. Ryder's journey started here in our community. As the son of a dedicated McGaw teacher, he grew up with the values of hard work, perseverance, and excellence. Now he's making waves on the biggest stage in the world. Let's show our hometown pride. Cast your vote today and support Ryder by visiting aausports.org. But don't wait, voting won't last forever. Let's go ahead and come together and vote for our hometown hero. Way to go, Ryder. Is that the A for the day? Hi.
I got a raw book.
Nice. Go on in.
Universal Anderson Kindergarten.
Let's get it started by congratulating UTK student Stevie Treasure Kelsey. Miss Kristen said that Stevie showed exceptional kindness when another student got hurt. Stevie instantly started comforting him. Way to go, Stevie. Thanks for keeping our school so safe.
Kindergarten.
Our kindergarten winner is from Miss Sizemore's class. Congratulations to Preston Chernak. Preston did a great job of staying calm when he was upset. He was calm and solved the problem. Way to go.
First grade.
Miss Nicole wants to shout out first grader Raina Anthony. She said that Raina was being super flexible when cutting out her artwork. She made a mistake, but she kept working. Thanks so much, Raina, for doing the right thing.
Second grade.
Miss Brendel wants to shout out second grader Charlotte Reynolds. She said that Charlotte demonstrated excellent participation during morning meeting. McGaw is a safe place, and we appreciate when you share your feelings.
Third grade.
Mrs. Jenks wants to shout out third grader from Miss Espinosa's class, Josiah Ferris. She says that Josiah is always willing to share relevant info and answers in the library. Thanks so much, Josiah, for contributing to our conversations.
Fourth grade.
Mrs. Jenks wants to shout out fourth grader Julius Acevedo from Miss Uson's class. She said that Julius used excellent manners, saying please and thank you properly, and then he sat down to read quietly. We appreciate you, Julius.
fifth grade.
And finally, Mrs. Kim wants to shout out 5th grader Keegan Haney. She said that Keegan has put a lot of effort into learning the Lawrence dance for pageant. She pointed out one part that needed work, and by the next practice, she could tell that he spent time on his dance. Way to go, Keegan. That's how you take your education seriously. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.